Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what is a keyword gap in Semrush. So here we are in the Semrush blog and we have the exact question. So what is a keyword gap analysis basically? So here a keyword gap is basically a ranking with your competitors and identifying the relevant keywords that they rank that you don't. So basically this is a process that helps you uncover keywords that you are outperforming yourself for. So basically, this is a keyword gap analysis that is important in building a comprehensive SEO strategy for your websites. So basically, this is how it would look like. So here, as you can see that if you're using a keyword that's monday.com, so this is the missing keywords that you're missing out on. So basically, such as enterprise, Slack login, tool, more management team. So those are the things you are missing out basically if you're using the keyword monday.com. So you can also look for your weak and strong points and untap and unique and you can check it out all. So here, as you can see the intent, if it's neutral, if it's really high, if it's not. So that's just basically it. So basically there's also a comparison here of what keyword gap analysis is versus your content gap. So basically the keyword gap is just the keyword itself, while content gap is the analysis that uncovers the whole content topic. So basically that's what keyword gap is in SEMrush. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.